Hi everyone, this is the session number 9. Today we will continue to talk about the restaurants thanks to the linguistic project. So we will start. Today we will remember some of the vocabulary that we saw in the last session. The first is carta or menú. The next is desayuno. It means breakfast in English. The next is snack. The next is lunch. In Spanish is almuerzo. The next is dinner. In Spanish is cena. The next is coffee shop or just coffee. And in Spanish is cafeteria or just café. Here we have again some drinks, or in Spanish, bebidas. And I add this, like it's a tupperware, and in Spanish is like just tupper. The next is a plastic bag, or like just a bag. This is in the imagine. It's not a plastic bag, but I put, and you can imagine how we can use when we order in a restaurant and we receive the order. You can say, like I mentioned, plastic bag or like just a bag, and in Spanish is bolsa plástica or just bolsa. So the most important part, the important questions and expressions. Okay, so the first is an expression to indicate that we want to order to take away. So the expression in Spanish is quiero hacer un pedido para llevar. Quiero hacer un pedido para llevar. Please, por favor. Quiero hacer un pedido para llevar, por favor. Okay. The next is a question that we already know thanks to the last session, but I put here again because we need to see the menu or this to choose. So the expression of the question in Spanish to request the menu is podría ver la carta, podría ver el menú, podría ver la carta, or podría ver el menú. Please, por favor. The next is puede incluir cubiertos. Puede incluir cubiertos. This is a question if you want to request to include like a cutlery. So yeah. The next is another question to ask how long it will take for the order to be ready. So is ¿cuánto tiempo demorará el pedido? If you need to do other things, like buy other things, you can ask this, you know how long it will be, and you return. So the question again is ¿cuánto tiempo demorará el pedido? The next is a question to request a restaurant recommendation, and in the last session,